Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how we do work on the star roof. In our case here we're going to work on the roof of the Jeep. It's a black one. So we are going to do the headliner star roof here at the VSP Interior Designers. So we're having Frank again showing us how these things work and how everything goes. So it's time to dot where it's going to. We're using the optic fiber. Let me show you the